It was just yesterday that I reported that Tesla Giga Berlin is again allowed to clear the pine forest to build its electric vehicle battery factory at Giga Berlin. But today we received new news that Tesla now has to interrupt the clearing on its construction site in Grünheide at Giga Berlin that was decided today by the higher administrative court. In doing so, it temporarily overturned the decision of the administrative court that had recently permitted the clearing. Let's see how this happened, what this means for Tesla and Giga Berlin, and what is going to be the future like. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So Tesla is not allowed again to cut trees on its construction site in Grünheide in Giga Berlin for the time being, RBB reports. That was decided by the higher administrative court of Berlin-Brandenburg on Thursday afternoon. Today is Friday. A little bit ago I said it was decided today, but no, it was decided Thursday. The difference of allowing to clear and not allowing to clear was only several hours. Just a few hours earlier, before this final decision, the Frankfurt's Oder's administrative court had provisionally allowed Tesla to clear the pine forest at Giga Berlin, but just few hours after that, yesterday, the higher administrative court of Berlin-Brandenburg said Tesla cannot cut trees on its construction site at Giga Berlin. The NABU and Green League had already submitted an urgent application against the clearing to the administrative court of Frankfurt on Monday. After one-day clearing stop, the Frankfurt court rejected the urgent application Thursday morning. The environmental associations, however, lodged a complaint in the afternoon before the higher administrative court of Berlin-Brandenburg as the next higher instance. The court in Berlin stopped the clearing again, pending a decision on this complaint. Now, Tesla is currently only building with preliminary approvals. This is important to note, but this is why these things are happening. In an initial phase, Tesla plans to build about 500,000 compact Model 3 and Model Y vehicles each year. So far, the company has been building its Giga Berlin factory through individual provisional approvals because the complete environmental approval from the state of Brandenburg is still pending. Tesla is taking a huge risk here, but probably Tesla has some assurances, or Elon Musk has some assurances that the final building permit will come hopefully by the end of December, as we have reported on based on several factors and sources reporting online. Conservationists and residents fear negative consequences for the environment, for the local environment while Tesla is building its Giga Berlin. Now, not paying enough attention to lizards and smooth snakes, the NABU and Green League, these are the two organizations, environmental organizations, who do the lawsuit against Tesla to stop clearing. These two organizations fear that the clearing of the approximately 83 hectare area will kill protected lizards and smooth snakes. They criticized that the area had not been sufficiently searched for the animals before the clearing. In their underground winter quarters, they would be easily crushed by the clearing machines. The NABU state manager Christian Schroeder told the German press agency why she has lodged a complaint against the Frankfurt court order. "We would not have gone to court if the decision of the State Office for the Environment had not been objectionable," Christian Schroeder said to a German DPA agency. Now, this is not a naturally grown forest. You need to keep this in mind, friends. The Frankfurt Administrative Court stated in its decision that the waiving of the nature conservation issues by the State Environment Agency was not objectionable. This would almost certainly also exist in main proceedings, the court explained. This assessment was also based on the fact that the animal species listed by the associations do not occur everywhere in the clearing area, but prefer light forest areas and clearing with sufficient sun and food. The area is also not a grown natural forest, but rather the removal of the commercial forest, which is also designated as an industrial area under planning law. One wouldn't think that this could be or should be this difficult for Tesla, right? I mean, the company is trying to build a huge electric vehicle factory. The company Tesla is planning to build the world's largest electric vehicle battery factory in the world, in Giga Berlin. In fact, today, Volkswagen's Herbert Diess announced that he wants to see 40 electric vehicle battery factories, 40 factories that build electric vehicles in Europe only, in order to fill and meet the demand of the rise of electric vehicles. Because soon, maybe within 5 or 10 years, every produced car probably will be electric, and diesel and petrol will be past, will be like 20th century. But and Tesla is trying to do that, hiring 7,000 up to 40,000 people. And things shouldn't be this difficult, in my personal opinion. I am in favor of environment. I mean, this is not a natural forest. If this was a natural forest, then I would argue like, hey, let's find a different place. Let's find a new place where there is, the Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada. It's not in forest. It's not in in a bare area, basically, and people are doing a great job there. So this shouldn't be this difficult maybe in Germany. However, I don't live in Germany, so I don't know. I will leave it to local people, respecting their wishes and their desires for clean air, and making sure that everything is done in the right manner. Now, Higher Administrative Court wants to decide on the matter at short notice. RBB 24 reports saying the advantage of the OVG is to be understood as an interim order that stops the clearing work until the 11th Senate has made a final decision on the complaint. This step is only intended to prevent the granting of effective legal protection from being thwarted by the creation of a fait accompli, says an OVG announcement. The interim arrangement, this interim stopping of Tesla from clearing the forest, this interim arrangement should also not be assessed as a forecast of the outcome of the appeal proceedings. Reads the report and reads RBB 24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these things. What are your thoughts? And do you think this shouldn't have been this difficult for Tesla? I think despite all of these hurdles and preventions and stoppings, Tesla is still doing a phenomenal job in terms of speed and looks like quality at Tesla Giga Berlin. I'm looking forward for this factory to be completed, and first Tesla Model Y rolling off the assembly line from Tesla Giga Berlin. We'll look forward to that day. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video, it helps me. Subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story coming, and interesting news about Tesla Cybertruck. And have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon.